guys, what's up? Today I will share my binary options trading strategy using 3 indicators. I'm going to start with just 30 bucks, and by the end of this video you will see how much I managed to pull in. Stick around till the end of this video, trust me, it's worth it. But first, hit up my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. There you can snag a 50% deposit bonus on pocket options. Alright, enough chit chat and let's dive into the action. Kicking off today with the EUR-USD pair on a 1 minute time frame. Eyes on the screen, guys. I'm taking a shot on a downward move. So I'm rocking 3 indicators today: MACD, stochastic oscillator, and alligator. Honestly, alligator signals are kinda more suitable for trades with at least a 5-minute expiration. Typically, when you make moves based on clear indicators, the market sways the way you expect. But hey, you can totally use the alligator for short expirations too, as an extra signal backup and to fill out the current trend vibes. Now, if you see the alligator's two faster moving averages cross the signal line from above, that's your cue to bet on a price drop. And yeah, that's what's happening on my screen. See the red signal line? On the flip side, if they cross the signal line from below, it's a nudge to bet on a rise. The wider the gap between the alligator lines, the stronger the trend's mojo. Let's break down why I made my move. Just 5 minutes ago, we got a cross from the alligator lines, hinting at a trend change downwards. The MACD lines are also mingling in the same direction. Our stochastic is chilling in the oversold zone. No nearby support levels on the graph to hold the momentum, so I thought, why not, and went for the drop. Boom! Decisions paid off. The bank's showing $55. Think I'll shorten the expiration time and up the ante. Alright, let's scout another golden opportunity. Switching to the Swiss franc yen pair, betting on an upward move here. Our trusty MACD indicator's green line just crossed the red from below, gearing up for a surge. Both lines are teasing that zero mark, prepping for a crossover. And stochastic, it's aiming for the oversold territory. Noticed a minor resistance level from about 20 minutes ago. After tapping that, the alligator lines are kinda tangled up, hinting at a sideways shuffle. Alright, guys, there is the juicy bit. Those lines, they just crossed from below and are now on an upward swing. So guess what? All signals are pointing to things heating up and the market's totally revving up to smash through that level. Oh, see that? The movement was a bit weak, but hey, we got there. 101 bucks in the pocket. Yeah. Okay, let's crank it up a bit more. Get our investment volume up and hunt down another chance to make some green. Didn't wander off too far, did I? Peep at the same graph a couple minutes later and boom, taking a shot on the downside this time. Darn, that was a sharp drop right there. My move ended up lower than I planned because of the slippage. Fingers crossed, hope my prediction is on point and we close with some profit. Let's dissect those signals, shall we? Earlier on, our stochastic was on the rise, but there was this wild turn of events. MACD? Yep, same thing. Flirted with the zero mark and did a 180. Candlestick patterns. Oh man, we've got an evening star, and that's a telltale sign the market's taking a U-turn. And the alligator gave us a subtle hint crossing top down. Why subtle? On these short runs, Mr. Alligator isn't the most reliable, more like a sidekick in this strategy. Still hustling on the Swiss franc yen game, going for another downside move. Look at that chart. See that? Local support level got tested about half an hour ago. What's the world from our indicators? Stochastic. Hovering around the oversold level hinting a drop. MACD lines did cross a while back, but that histogram though shows they're moving apart, albeit slowly. Remember our poll, alligator? Earlier, I mentioned how a crossover is like a long-distance clue. After our last move, it was only a budding crossover, but hey, turns out the trend reversal is getting real. Putting it all together, Fel tried to jump in on the downside, and guess what? We're up to $323. Pumping up the stakes again and diving right back in. Making a move on the rise for GBP yen. Let's focus here, alright? Now our trust indicators are hinting a drop, but there is a twist. Stochastic, heading south, MACD and alligator crossed top down, but check that chart. For a while now, the price has been dancing between these levels, bouncing back and forth. Here's my gut feel. We're not breaking that support level just yet. Probably a little bounce of first, a little correction, and only after that the graph might dive deeper. Let's see. So, here's what's up. The sellers don't have enough juice to break through that support level. You can spot it on the candles. Sharp did then. Bam. Hints a wall and that support level. Boom, we've got $575 in the pocket. All in, baby, and let's roll on. Seeing that my hunch was right, that bounce and correction happened, why not double down? Next, I'm thinking of going short. There are two ways this could play out. First, we see that level get busted. After that tiny pullback, sellers are coming in hot, and maybe, just maybe, they break through. Or the chart might just smack into that support level again. We could get price chilling in one spot or another, tiny bounce back. But hey, we're in for a wicked just 1 minute. So, within that time, it's gonna be around or below that level, no doubt. I mean, sure, there is no absolute guarantee we won't get around crazy bounce, but hey, in trading, there are no guarantees ever. We're here reading the market's vibes, taking shots, testing waters. The more you play, the better you get, but even the big dogs mess up now and then. My call nets me $1,025 in the account, even if it wasn't a slam dunk. Let's dive into the next one, EUR-CHF pair, going short on this bad boy. Let's beat the chart. This is straight out of trading 101. We see a local resistance price has been dancing around it for the past 5 minutes. It's stalling out. The stochastic is hinting the buyers are losing their mojo as it exists their overbought zone. MACD's line Getting Cozy tells the same story. Yeah, alligator lines show the main trends bullish. But to break that resistance, not enough juice. Maybe after a pullback, which is where I'm planning to cash in. A U-turn is also on the table. Either way, I feel a short's gonna work out. And bingo, accounts looking juicy with 1,195 bucks. On to the next. CAD GPY pair going long this time. Oh, it's deja vu, folks. Looks like before. Let's peep that chart. Prices tightrope walking within this tiny range. It's chilling for now, but after this calm, there is always a storm, either up or down. Alright, so when you look at those alligator lines and they're all tangled up and close together, that's like a dead giveaway of a sideways trend. It's like the market's super indecisive about where to head next. Then, those quick moving averages. They've just crossed the signal line, so what's the gossip? Looks like the market might be gearing up to dip. Now, let's peek at that MACD. The green line's hanging out below the red, but looking at the histogram, there is no real drama happening. Most likely scenario, a bounce back from some support point. And yep, that's as predicted on the chart. Boom, that's some profits right there. Up next, the EUR-GBP pair. I'm thinking of going short. We've seen this situation before, but the vibes are a tad different this time. Indicators aren't hanging us any guarantees, but let's have a squeeze at that chart. Oh, I see. First there was this steady rise, then a bit of a chill phase, and now it's been trying to break through some level for a while. And here's the juicy bit. There is this pattern on the chart, kinda like a double top. If you go by the old school rules, it's kinda hitting, it's time to go short. And yep, MACD is pretty much backing up our theory. Those red histogram bars show the lines are getting chummy. You know what? Relying solely on indicators, kinda sketchy. They don't always give you the full picture. That's why you gotta keep learning all those technical analysis techniques. Bulk up your toolbox. Chatting, we just backed $3,385 in the bank. But something feels off, right? Even though we cashed in, the chart didn't bounce back the way we expected. It's barely nudged. That's what happens when there is low volatility and a short expiration period. So, here's what I'm thinking. Let's double down and go short again, banking on our previous prediction. I just don't see anything that screams game changer in the next minute, so I'm betting on that bounce back. For all you newbies, when picking an expiration time, keep your eyes peeled for market strength and its volatility. Weaker market might take longer for your prediction to play out. And voila! Only now the chart's finally making its move in our direction. Alright, let's keep it real. Things don't always go as planned. Market could have said sick and headed north. But not today. Deals done, balance, a sweet $4,025. Perfect way to wrap up and tally the scores. Hey guys, we killed it today. Turned a $30 into a whopping $4,025. Crazy, right? Steal my strategy from today, try it out and see if you hit the jackpot too. Want more pro tips? Subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. There I post signals daily and we chat about them. As well, my Telegram channel peeps to get an exclusive link to register on pocketoption and grab a juicy 50% bonus. Like that video, then hit this like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon not to miss on my fresh content. As well, check out my previous videos and ask your burning questions in the comments. So, thank you for hanging out with me today. Catch you up next time and peace out!